Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this wireless HDMI mirroring device. So this should make it a little easier to mirror your screen and your phone. I believe this only works with, let's see, features real-time share, movies, music, upgrade normal TV to Wi-Fi TV, parameters, iOS 9.0 or up, installation. It's basically just plug this into our TV and then we can cast right from our screen onto this without having to worry about plugging in wires and things like that. So here's our little instructions. Super simple should be. And we have this device here. Looks like a little charging cable we can use. And then this goes right into one of our HDMI slots on our computer. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this just allows us to go right from our iPhone to our TV without too much issues. Sometimes, like, we've had family over and we're trying to watch all the pictures we just took, and for some reason, like, we can't connect to the Fire TV or something like that. Just a big hassle. You're trying to download these mirroring apps and everything. It's just not working. So something like this, in that case, like a device like this where we can just plug it in and mirror right away without any hassle. Definitely a big plus. A lot of the times some of the stuff that we have is supposed to mirror doesn't do that great of a job. So let's go set this up and show you how it works. Alright my friends, so just plug this into HDMI 3 there real quick, and then I plugged the USB-C to USB into the back, and just use my TV to power this thing. Actually, you can press this button on the front, it'll change the aspect ratio from flip it sideways basically, and when you plug this in, this is going to come up on the screen. It's going to tell you how to connect. That's really cool. So you just got the iPhone here, just go to swipe down, go to screen mirroring, and there you have it. And already we are connected, has all that on there. You can play YouTube or something, throw YouTube up on there. We got the Subway Surfers. For the games, doesn't seem to play any. Oh, it does play sound. YouTube, we do YouTube on there, and it'll show the full ratio if you play a full video, so it shows the whole screen here.
Happy Monday. If you guys think I'm
there we go. So pretty sweet, guys. Just mirrors right away. No issues. It connected within like 5 seconds. So if that, it was like right there. So pretty sweet. Super handy device. So also the screen's iMac, just go to system settings and displays. It'll bring this window up here and you can just click there and it'll just mirror it right onto the screen right here. As you can see, same thing on there, mirroring your iMac. So if you want to do like a presentation or something so everybody can see in the boardroom or something like that, you can just have your computer here and be like, hey everyone, I'm going to show you what I got going on here, and just mirror your screen right up onto the big screen everyone can see. So that's really sweet. Super easy to connect. It's within seconds and it's really handy. So thanks for watching my friends. And one more thing I just wanted to point out, that this connector in the back, it's a little stiff, so just plug it in, push it in all the way, and it's just fine. So anyways, my friends, have a great day and I'll see you next time.